Hello and welcome to English with Friends, where two friends have real life conversations in slow, clear English. I'm Emma and I'm British.
And I'm Jake. I'm American.
We're in a cafe. It's raining hard outside, and Jake still doesn't understand why I keep talking about the weather.
Today you'll learn how to make small talk with anyone.
God, it's absolutely chucking it down, isn't it?
Who are you talking to?
The woman by the window. She says her shoes have basically turned into a swimming pool, which is the best thing anyone said to me all week.
You don't know her.
No, and I never will, and that's sort of the point.
Okay, but why though? You looked out the window and announced the weather to a stranger, and she agreed with you about whether you can both already see.
When you put it like that, it does sound completely mad.
It's not that it's crazy. I just don't know what it's for. She has a window too.
Right, so it was never about the rain. Nobody in this country has ever once cared whether the other person knows it's raining.
Then what is it actually about?
It's the little bit on the end. Miserable, isn't it? And that's the whole machine.
The isn't it?
The isn't it. You're not telling her anything she doesn't know. You're putting something out there that she can agree with. And then she gets to decide whether she wants a conversation or not. If she doesn't want one, nobody's embarrassed and we both go back to our coffee.
Huh.
It's a door. You open it about 4 inches and then you let her decide.
And that thing you said, chucking it down, what does that actually mean?
It means raining very hard. Bucketing down, tipping it down, absolutely pouring. Take your pick, there's about 9 of them.
Isn't that raining cats and dogs?
Oh God, does anyone genuinely say that?
I say it.
Yeah, and where did you learn it?
A book.
There we go. It means exactly the same thing, raining really heavily. But it sounds like something a kind old man says in a children's book. My dad would love it, but if you said it to me at a bus stop, I'd assume you were joking.
So what am I supposed to say?
Honestly, anything, as long as it's about something the two of you are stuck in together. That's the trick. The weather works because neither of us owns it. So I can't offend you about rain, and you can't be wrong about it.
Okay, I'm doing it. Excuse me, hi, sorry. Can I ask you something? Do you like rain?
Jake.
What? All I did was open a door.
You didn't open a door, you climbed in through her window. Do you like rain is a question about her inner life from a man she has never met.
It's a yes or no question.
That's an interview. And anyway, you lot don't do any of this, which is exactly why you're so bad at it.
We do it constantly. When somebody at the register asks how your day's going, that's the same door.
That is not the same door. That's a stranger asking me to account for my entire day while I'm holding a sandwich. I panic. I once told a man to have a nice weekend too, when he'd only asked about mine.
So you're not the expert.
I'm not the expert, no, but I'm right about the end bit.
You are right about the end bit. Isn't it doesn't ask me for anything. I can agree and then leave. When I first moved over here, I went about 3 weeks without saying a word to anybody who wasn't paid to talk to me.
You've never told me any of that.
It's not a big thing. But there was a guy at a bus stop, and he said something about how the rain had come out of nowhere. I said something back, and then the bus came. 40 seconds, maybe? I thought about it for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying it does nothing. I'm saying I can't do it.
You can absolutely do it. You just did it facing the wrong way.
It's stopping. Calm before the storm.
That's not... Jake, the storm's already been. It came, it soaked that poor woman's shoes, and it left.
I know what I said.
The calm before the storm is when everything's gone quiet and you know something horrible is coming. It's not weather at all. It's Sunday night with an email you haven't opened yet.
That's significantly worse than my version.
Everything's worse than your version, which is why I keep you around. She's putting her coat on. Look. Go on.
It's really coming down out there, isn't it? She got soaked at the bus stop, and her umbrella's in her other bag.
Mm-hmm.
She told me a thing about her day.
She did.
Huh.
I'm not going to say anything.
You're absolutely going to say something.
I'm not.
I might do that again.